Jack Dorsey's Square is changing its name to Block. Oh, the crypto man, Mr. Bitcoin,
Mr. Beard.
I don't even think we talked about him stepping down from Twitter on this show.
No, we didn't.
We didn't even cover that.
Because it happened, I think, during the weekend.
Well, anyway, he bounced from Twitter. He obviously really loves crypto, specifically Bitcoin.
Yeah.
And the Cash App stuff going on. Jay-Z friendship, Tidal.
Tidal, yep.
The parent company of Cash App and Tidal is now known as Block. So you change your name from Square to Block. Because Square is also the payments processing company.
Yeah, it's a bit confusing because to me, I read it as Block as the parent company because it owns or it's going to add like Cash App, Tidal, and this other company, which I think is like a decentralized exchange. TBD
545666975. That's all businesses in the post-apocalyptic future.
Exactly, yeah. Numeric.
A financial services company co-founded. I was just wondering if Block was the parent and Square would still exist, but it looks like Square
I feel like Square is going to
Block.
Change its name as well.
Yeah, Square becomes Block, and then Block has all these companies underneath it.
Including Square Crypto.
So Block says that there will be no organizational changes as a result of the new name, though the company's Square Crypto initiative is being rebranded to Spiral. So they're just trying to rid the world of the word Square completely. The new Block name is expected to legally go into effect on or about December 10th. Its ticker symbol, SQ, will not change at this time. Oh, that's interesting. Play the little video here. Ooh, NFT
yes,
styles.
Very bright.
NFT-like.
Vibrant.
Well, listen, you know, what's the difference between a square and a block or a cube? What's the difference? Well,
nothing really.
Well, yeah.
Jack Dorsey owns all of it.
Well, no, I'm saying one is flat and the other is three-dimensional.
Sure.
So as you continue to do more comprehensive things and the world continues to become blockchain-based and all this metaverse chatter, you got to be 3D. You can't be 2D. And so you go square to block as a signal that you're fully resolved.
Then what's next? Cube?
No.
Cuboid?
Block and cube is the same shit.
I guess.
No,
okay, so
but block acts as a crypto indicator because of the terminology, right? Blockchain stuff.
Right. I noticed they called it blocks as like the Twitter handle.
Oh, that's weird.
They couldn't get block.
Even apparently. Though that's why he stepped down. That's why he stepped down. That's actually what happened. He was gonna stick on with the company and remain, but he was like, "Hey, I gotta." He DM'd some people. He's like, "I gotta get this block handle because I'm trying to change my other company name." And they're like, "You know what? Screw off. We don't have to do that for you. You think because you're the CEO you can just steal usernames?"
It's like, all right, fine, we'll go with blocks.
And then he goes, no. Then he goes, fine.
Yeah.
Blocks it is, but I'm resigning, and I'm gonna write a letter to everybody.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Because you want to play hardball? Let's do it.
Redesigning.
I want to know who has block then.
So this guy has block here.
Who has block? You can't even get him anymore.
No, it shows up right here.
Can't get block guy. Yeah,
it's
block.
Something to do with like workout equipment.
Oh, that's wild. This is like your whole life story, Will, with your Twitter handle. Oh, it's like your whole life story.
I know.
You're
I
so
want
angry
it so
about
bad,
it.
and yet can't get it.
The more you want it, the less likely you are to get it.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the way it goes with this Twitter stuff. Yeah, so it's blocks. @blocks on Twitter. Strange. Yeah, the CEO couldn't get it.